How can I check if my IMEI number is blocked?
Hello, viewers. Today we're going to dive into a topic that often concerns mobile phone users: how to check if an IMEI number is blocked. IMEI, which stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a unique identifier for your mobile device. It can be blocked for various reasons, such as if the device is reported stolen or lost. Let's see how you can check the status of your IMEI number.
What is an IMEI number?
The International Mobile Equipment Identity, IMEI, is a 15-digit unique number that identifies your mobile device. It's kind of like the VIN number of your car. It is extremely useful for tracking lost or stolen devices. To find your IMEI number, simply dial *#06# on your phone and the number should pop up on your screen.
Why can an IMEI number be blocked?
An IMEI number can be blocked by network carriers if the device is reported as lost or stolen. Once blocked, the device cannot be used with any SIM card, rendering it essentially useless for communication. This measure is intended to deter theft and fraudulent use of mobile devices.
How can I check if my IMEI number is blocked?
To check the status of your IMEI, you need to use an IMEI checker service. There are many such online services available. These websites allow you to input your IMEI number and they then run it through databases to confirm whether it is blocked or not. It is important to note that results may vary based on the database used and the country you are in. Please note, while most of these services are reliable, be cautious and use only reputable services. As these services often require you to input your IMEI, make sure the service is secure to avoid misuse of your information. Here is how you can use such a service. 1. Find your IMEI number by dialing *#06# on your phone. 2. Open a reputable IMEI checker website. 3. Input your IMEI number in the designated box. 4. Click on Check or similar button to run the process. 5. You will then see a status that shows whether your IMEI is clean, unblocked, or blocked.
What can I do if my IMEI number is blocked?
If your IMEI number is blocked and you believe this is an error, contact your network provider. They are the only ones who can unblock your device. If your device was previously reported as stolen and then recovered, you need to provide proof of ownership to have the block removed. That's it. Now you know how to check whether your IMEI number is blocked and what you can do in case it is. Always remember to use only reputable IMEI checking services and keep your IMEI number secure. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.